Hello, hello. I'm gonna show you how to create a beatmap pack, or at least, I'm gonna show you an example of it. I've got a map here, and to start, hold on here. Need to make sure that this doesn't swap over. Oopsies. All right, so, um, here's what we're gonna do. In order to get started on this, the very first map that you want to start from, like this is going to be the base map, like this will be the first difficulty or whatever that we're working with. And I'm just going to rename this to jump pack. You can number this or whatever, but honestly, I don't think you ever need to. If you're going to make one of these, just keep adding difficulties to them. So jump pack, everyone can see your name. They know it's you who made the jump pack. This is the title of the map set itself is jump pack. Everyone knows the artist is, Sokanuna. The cool thing that you want to do here is, so if we know this song is reprogram. I'm just going to copy the difficulty name right here. And then, the actual difficulty name from before can be right there, but the song title can be put right here. You can do whatever you want to stylize it. Crap, I fucking messed up. Oh well. Yeah, you can do whatever you want to like stylize the actual difficulty name. But it doesn't really matter. Just make sure you put the song title in, or people won't be able to tell what song it is. So I'll put jump pack. Or it doesn't have to be jump pack, but I guess people aren't blind, so they can't tell this is a jump map. Anyways, save that. Next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna open the song folder. Alright? And in the song folder, this is where you're gonna see everything that's in the beatmap. This file right here, this is the .host. It is the actual difficulty of the map. This is the MP3 with the song, and this is of course the background. Now you don't want any of the. So what we're gonna do, I'll explain this a bit later, but for now, the best thing to do is to name the MP3 of each song the song title. So the song is reprogram. We'll rename the MP3 to reprogram. I'm gonna copy the name. I'm gonna open this, and I'm going to like if this is a notepad, you can use whatever uh, note editor you want, but this is a text file normally. And what you want to do is just change the entire title from audio to whatever the song title was, and just save it. Control S will save, or you can just do this, save. But once you do that, all you need to do is just close this and you're done. Make sure that this file extension is matching the exact same type of file used for the audio. That should be about it. Alright, now that we have our little jump pack started here, in order to add maps to it, or at least other songs, here's what we'll do. So I've got a few maps here, but I'm going to add this one. So in order to do that, I'm going to download this, alright? Now, I would use usdirect, but that does make it a bit complicated because it assigns an ID to the map and everything. And yeah, we can do that too. That works just fine. Here's what we'll do with that. I'm gonna go to the map, and I'm gonna open the map. From here, what we want to do is actually create a new difficulty. Now, we can name it whatever we want, but I'll just name it reprogram cut version. Same as the song title. Now, what this actually does for us, we want to make sure we don't clear all objects. All right, So now that we're here, what we want to do next is we want to go back to the metadata or song setup, and we're going to name it, the same title as the other title here. So jump pack. It'll be named jump pack. And from there, we just want to click OK. Now we're going to open song folder. And here's what we're going to do. So we have the jump pack difficulty here. We've got the audio, and we've got the background. All right? Just ignore the original one for now. What we want to do is rename this. So we rename it to the song title. That's reprogram. And cut. I'm just going to put cut because that's just easier. Anyways, I'll copy this, open this.us again, and then paste this and save. I use Ctrl+S to save. After that, we can just exit out of this. And the next thing that we're going to do, I'll just highlight these, Ctrl+X to cut. I'm just going to paste them in here, the original map, reprogram. This is where our jump pack is. I'll just close this. In fact, you can honestly just delete this whole map, but the reason why I cut it is because when we have this here, it will conflict with the other map set if we have like two duplicates of the same file. Either way, we now have two different songs and maps in one map. And that should be about it. Just to show you. This is the full version. Just gonna load this. Yeah, we can see this goes up to 2 minutes, 42 seconds. Just look at the other one really quick. And we can see that this map is 1 minute, 20 seconds. This is our cut, alright? This is the cut map. And you should be about done. The rest of it is pretty much up in your hands. But just to explain why I do some of the things that I did, when you create a new difficulty, it actually removes the beatmap set ID, and this allows you to actually like submit the map as like another map, so it doesn't conflict with another map set of the same song. So you could technically copy and paste the files that I was talking about earlier. Anyways, that's about it for now, and you just kind of rinse and repeat the same process for other songs or even maps that you want to add to your map pack. Yeah. Sorry, this recording is pretty ass, but hope you like it.